this side.
Hey, look at this. Mazda right here, too. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at this car. Look at like a Porsche right there.
Yeah. It's fun to go. You can take any car you want. Oh, really? Yeah, you just find people like, some people line up against them.
Huh? It's a Lexus. Oh, look! Two Honda Civics.
There's a lot of
Super Double X, and you can have it.
I think that's what we're gonna get. We don't need it like that.
Ooh, a Honda flavor right there. This Honda. Wait, that's a Honda Civic. Never mind.
Dude, I've tried to see this right hand drive, and I can't even help this.
Why? Wait, Toyota Crown.
It's pretty sick.
Oh, ooh, another.
See the roof? It's got the pattern.
That's It's an automatic. I can see my toe. It's an auto vision.
You're buying everything? Yes. Why? Because my car's dirty right now. The box is dirty. Or you just clean it. I don't want to clean the factory airbox.
Pikachu.
You want to take apart your whole
Toyota Acura. And Audi, the two Jeeps were down. Two Dodge right there. Another Dodge. It's a drone. And a Nissan 300ZX right there, an old one. And a Honda Del Sol.
No, we gotta go down this line first.
Honda Del Sol. Oh, look at that Acura right there. Acura and Play Route right here. Connected together.
Well, no, I called her like, where you at?
The 80s Corvette right here, too. Wow, look at this 80s Corvette. Oh, so sick. Subaru. BMW. Here's a Lexus. And here's a Nissan. Stupid cars.
Because you're gonna have that advantage.
And a Mazda has a wheel on it.
Trade-off is like, how do you feel it? Like this thing, even with the way I drive it.
Two Mazdas, right? No, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 5 Mazdas. Right here.
You go with the WRX.
Mazda.
Yeah, just for the daily. That's it. And then you can just put.
Mazda. And then Nissan. Ooh, 24.
240.
240.
The white one? Yeah.
This. Oh my goodness! Look at this hatchback. Look at the hatchback.
I'd paint it. I would paint it. No, but I would paint it. If that was the case, it's like, $5,000.
Next to the other hatchback. Ooh. Look at this. Yep. Look, it has a red seat right here. Got the red seat. Yeah, keep going.
You having fun? Person?
Yeah. What's this connected to? Hey, this is a. I think that's like. What's Lexus right here? In Infinity. So Lexus Infinity. And also the Nissan right there too.
This? G37 or something? No, it's just ticket plates.
Ooh, look at this Toyota.
Also, I think
Look at this Toyota. And it has a Hot Wheel right there. And look at this. What is that? Honda flavor, Honda S2000 right there. There's lots of cars right here. Oh my goodness. A Subaru and another Subaru. Look at the Subaru right there. Oh, look. Is that a Honda hatchback? It's a Honda Civic. And two Volkswagens of the car cart and Nissan 350Z. Acura, Subaru, Scion, and
Oh, Del Sol, finally. Finally some minutes Del Sol.
and then a Cop Ford and a Nissan. And oh my god, that's hey look! Toyota! That's I don't want to cut through here.
It's okay. You just gotta run.
Ooh, look at this Ford! Oh, that's pretty doozy. Hey, look, your favorite car? Look, a Honda.
Another one. How do you care so much? You got a model or anything coming up?
Oh, Nissan. I think this is a Nissan 350Z.
Yeah. Its hood is different because it's changed over in like 2006.
300ZX again. Look, it's connected to all of the cool stuff. Wait. Oh, look at that GTR right there, green. Nissan 300ZX right here. Infinity look at this Mazda RX. Daddy, do you want to see a Mazda RX?